All right, guys, it's early in the morning and it is tune day again. Third time be over there around 3. Getting the truck ready, gonna load it up on Steven's trailer, and we're gonna drag it back to Siloam so Robert can do all of his stuff now that we hopefully have all of the bent pushrod issue out of the way. So here we go. All right, guys, before Robert gets into tuning the truck, I'm gonna show you the car they're working on right now. It's so nice. Twin turbo, big block Oldsmobile. Yep. This truck is so nice, or car is so nice. I mean, look at the paint. They got it all covered up and everything, or I'd show you all the interior, but the trunk will kind of give you an idea how nice it is. So, anyways, we'll let him get to work. All right, guys, so here's where we're at. We put pressure to the blow-off valve, and it didn't do anything. It opened up but wouldn't close back. So I'm going to pull it apart and clean it, and whatever you do to a blow-off valve to make it go, and see what that does. But we're not going to do that today. I'm also going to check to see if we have any bent valves possibly. If we do, we're just going to find a head and throw it on. And then what else? Checking the wastegate? Probably
might as well, since the blow-off valve didn't work.
Yeah, so anyways, that's where we're at. Fixing to load the bitch back up because I got to go to work. So see you guys. I gotta tell y'all, I'm super frustrated. The truck is really pissing me off big time. We either have a bent valve or we have some vacuum leak somewhere or some shit. I don't know. We've got customer cars I've been putting off till I got this truck figured out, and I don't want to push them back anymore. And so I guess I'm gonna put the truck on the back burner for a little bit till I can decide what I'm gonna do and how deep I want to go, or until we get an open spot. We've got a Grand Wagoneer coming in for a motor swap. We've got another Grand Wagoneer, same customer, right in behind it with an LS going in a Grand Wagoneer. So 2 Grand Wagoneers in a row. We've got roll cage to add a couple bars to. We got the MG. I mean, there's just all kinds of little stuff like that, or big stuff like that we need to do. And I'm gonna park the truck for a little bit until I can figure out what I want to do. So anyways, just want to give you that update. We're still going to try and turn out videos all the time of everything we're working on. You're probably just not going to see a Stanley video for a little bit. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with everything that's coming. See ya.